Council, you have a proclamation from the Mayor's Office declaring the month of May as National Water Safety Month. Councilman Behal, will you please read this into the record?
Yes, sir, thank you. National Water Safety Month. Whereas the Township of East Brunswick recognizes the vital role that swimming and aquatic-related activities relate to good physical and mental health and enhance the quality of life for all people. And whereas residents understand the essential role that education regarding the topic of water safety plays in preventing drownings and recreational water-related injuries. And whereas residents are aware of the contribution by the recreational water industry as represented by organizations in the National Water Safety Month coalition include developing safe swimming facilities, aquatic programs, home pools and spas, and related activities providing healthy places to recreate, learn and grow, build self-esteem, confidence, and sense of self-worth, all which contribute to the quality of life in our community. And whereas it is important to recognize the ongoing efforts and commitments to educate the people on pool and spa safety issues and initiatives by the pool, spa, water park, recreation, and parks industries, and whereas it's vitally important to communicate water safety rules and programs to families and individuals of all ages, whether owners of private pools, users of public swimming facilities, or visitors to water parks. Now, therefore, be it proclaimed that Mayor Brad Jacon, Mayor of Township of East Brunswick, along with Township Council and the Township Recreation and Parks Department, do hereby declare month of May as National Water Safety Month and do urge the residents of East Brunswick to support and promote its observance. Given under his hand and the Great Seal of the Township of East Brunswick this 25th day of April in the year 2024. Mayor Brad Jacon. Thank you.
Thank you, Councilman. Any comments from council? We're good? Mayor Cohen? I beg your pardon.
Yeah, thank you, Council President. I just want to remind the public that a couple years ago we had a series of unfortunate incidences in the township related to drowning deaths. And one was the drowning death at Crystal Springs, and then a year later it was followed by a string of 3 in a row. One was unfortunate loss of somebody in the municipal pond. That was followed by a family of 3 people, a grandfather, a daughter, and a granddaughter, all perished in a swimming pool because not one of them was able to swim. And then that was followed by a young kid at a party who, by the time they recognized the kid had disappeared, they found him at the bottom of a pool, unable to save him. And so the town embarked on and continues to embark on a massive effort to try to make sure that swimming lessons are provided to any citizen that wants one here in the township. Each summer we have a program that we offer for, I think it's called the Great American World's Largest Swimming Team, that comes out and offers free lessons that we often get covered by, very fortunate to have people donate to cover that. We have had water safety classes here in East Brunswick for years because of our Crystal Springs is well recognized throughout the state. And the county just recently announced that they are putting out, are offering money for grants for towns that are willing to also improve and offer these type of classes. I think it's up to $16,000 per township. One of our asks this year from the state, each year they ask if there's something that the township would want. That's how we've gotten grants for things such as the ice rink and for the expansion of the community arts center. This year our ask is to look to enclose one of the pools over at Crystal Springs so that we could make part of that park a full 12-month year-round park and allow our swim teams and people to swim, but in addition to provide the ability for people to continue to learn how to swim and to do so safely so that we could do whatever we can to prevent what I think in many instances are really preventable deaths. So I'm glad that this came across my desk. I'm hoping that you will all approve this proclamation, but I really can't underscore how important it is. And in young people, that is unfortunately one of the number one causes of preventable deaths. So I think we need to just do our part.
Always on the cutting edge, Mayor Cohen, and proactive, and we appreciate that. The community surely does.